How to buy Charizard's token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards of crypto. With the best referral code, simply use the codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the MEXC account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 3 in this transaction. Now to be able to buy this token, now just click here to copy the token address, open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. Now this is our token, click on it. Now click I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive, as you can see here. Now to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select to Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap to be able to buy this token, or redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Charizard token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.